Selling or you decided to buy it?
What's that?
You decided to buy it or?
Yeah, I bought it earlier, but I wasn't going to bother about getting it out. Too busy around here today.
I'm eyeballing it, so it's going now.
The fucking thing is like brand new.
Yeah, it looked like it was a good fit.
Yeah.
And then normally how much brand new?
Well, this is a 0.1. The 0.2 is like $369 or something.
So what's the 0.1 and 0.2?
Well, there's a lot. There's bigger shocks, a longer chassis, a lot of little odds and ends, probably hexes.
Okay.
Just a lot of stuff that it isn't worth trying to get it to that car, but for the price, I mean, it's got a good servo in it, it's got a saddle pack in it, you can't beat it.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely like the four-wheel drive buggies. I can't, like, something like this, I can't quite do it. They're durable for kids.
Right.
All right.
Yeah, they're fucking awesome. Always got traction, that's for sure.
Sweet.
Yep.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah, he did. He left before it. Was
Somebody left it.
We'll see you later,
Oh,
Scott.
that's not God.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Mikey, let's go.
Yeah, I got it, Fred. I'm gonna tell him. This is your phone or camera, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure you knew about it. Or yeah.
Yep. It was still recording.
Oh, okay.